Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So let's keep going.
So guys, let's get started and welcome to my channel. My name is Roland. Let's get started. We have a $153 on our balance. We're gonna open $100 or $200 positions. And let's add our indicators right away. They're gonna be the Keltner channel and the stochastic oscillator. Let's set period on the stochastic to 5. Both of these indicators are well combined in a pair and together they show a good result. So you can also visit my Telegram channel. There's a lot of information about the strategies, about the market overall, and Pepe channel. If you text me, I will add you. There is a lot of signals if you are not so well in trading. So let's start. Let's put $153 and let's start. Let's add concept pairs, but not the OTC. But unlike Quadex, there's a good rates on the pocket. That's where we trade. Remove OTC from here and pick this one. I think this concept pair should be enough. Let's get started. I'll try to make as much money out of this balance as possible, right? And at the end, we withdraw the money, our money as usual, and summarize it. So let's start. Find the better concept pair for the most promising trade entry as usual. We stay on this, I guess. Yeah, let's stay on this, and I guess we can open short position. Okay, let's select the workspace. Here we see the local high after which the price started going down, and also we see the inner channel movement. So let me point this inner channel movement, then updating the maximum point, and after that the price should continue going downwards. Also the stochastic shows us that it's gonna reverse to the downside, and like I said, the price movement is going down, the maximum point has been updated, resistance zone played out, and this trade is gonna end up in profits, guys. There are literally 10 seconds left. By now I'm happy with the price movement, and the first position gonna be in profit in the next 5 seconds. As the tradition, right? Right. Yes. We got it. Nice. We got a $286. Let's put 200 and find another concept pair for trading. So we played here out of pull back the inner channel movement, and we closed in profit. So let's continue. Let's open some more positions. For example, here let's open a short position. I'll explain the principle of trade entry, of course. We also see the local high here and the price started going down. The updating of maximum points takes place. Then the price went to the upside from this level. There was a small correction. The price movement entered the inner channel zone. So yeah, small correction, and let me show you this in inner channel. So yeah, at the end to the inner channel right here, and after this we should expect the price to go down, guys. Also, we observe the push from the middle line of the channel, and the stochastic hits us that it's gonna reverse. So by now I'm okay with the price movement, and I guess the breakdown should happen on the last seconds. We opened the trade properly and the position should be closed with a profit. Like I said, the position is in profits. We got $452 on our balance, already good result, and there is no stopping here. Let's find another currency pair. Well, let's see what do we got. So, alright, let's see. Let's open short position here, guys, and probably we open another one here. That's a very good timing. So, nah, forget it. The price has already started going down. Selecting the workspace for you, we understand that there is a downtrend. Take a closer look at this zone, guys, breaking down the channel. Then there's a correction, and thereafter the continuation of the movement. Pretty standard case, and we play this out, guys. Let's watch. There are literally 15 seconds before closing. The candle's behavior is totally fine with me, and again we played out the standard situation. So stochastic that hasn't crossed the line 20 yet, and our position in a profit, of course. We have a $628. Let's change currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So remove the OTC. Let's do that. Let's open short position here. That's a very good timing. Okay, opening extra. Nice, very decent trade entry. We see long shadows of the candle, right? The resistance zone is playing out, after which the price went down everywhere. Also, we see a very strong direction to the upside, very strong trend, and after such movement we should expect a little pullback, like 100%. Here we see the swing, and the price should recover to this down, to this zone in theory, and our position should be in profits. I think we shouldn't have opened additional trades. The main one also be in profit, so nothing to scare about. But why not to be in profits once again, right? And our all positions is in profit. Nice guys. Let's refresh the page. We got a $1,156, so let's refresh it and change the currency pair. Let's open long position here, guys, and I'll explain to you the principle of the trade entry. Not here, maybe. Yes, here's a nice upward. Okay, let's open here, long position. Let me select the workspace. Alright, we play out here considering the stochastic. It gave us the first signal and now the second, and I think this is the call for a long position. Also, the support zone after this strong movement, we're likely to see the correction, and that's why we open the long position, guys. Let's wait a little bit. The stochastic should move to the mark 50 and stay there a little while. So and 10 seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds left. Okay, and we are gonna see some more money on our balance, and right now we're in the profits. Great. Now we got $1,330 on our balance, a very decent result. And let's change the currency pair. So I don't see here. Let's something. There's also unclear movement. The stochastic has gone down too much. It's not worth the trouble to open here. So here's also weird. I think here it looks like the uptrend, and let's open a long position here. Good trade entry. Let's see if we need to open extra ones. Zoom in a little bit. So I'll explain the principle of trade entry. We see the clear uptrend here. I'll point out this. Also, so let's point out it. Also, there's the dynamic inner channel movement, guys. Then a little pullback from this resistance zone, and the price started going down after this pullback. That's why we opened the long position according to the uptrend, and I'm sure that we're not wrong here. They're literally 10 seconds before the climax, and I'm already sure that this position will close in profits. Now we opened position considering the inner channel movement. This is the first such trade for today, if I'm not mistaken, and we already got $1,500 on our balance, and I think we can increase the trade amount a little bit. What do you think? Let's open a $500 trade and let's change the currency pair. Let me update the amount. All right, and let's change the currency pair. Look for the better trade entry, right, guys? Right. So here let's open short position here and see if we need to open extra one. The crossing has seemingly happened. Let's open 2 additional short positions. Explain the principle of the trade. We opened extra one right away because we saw the signal, and here somehow the price movement went to the upside despite the signal, and the correction should continue even though we see a little uptrend here, but the stochastic is not gonna mislead. And the movement should go down, guys, and that means we should win this one on the last seconds. Let's watch. I think, guys, the breakdown is imminent, even down to this 0.97 level, and all our positions should be in profits. And okay, well, one ended up with 0, not bad. I'm fine with the outcome, and this one in profits. Nice. We got a $2,398 on our balance. Remind you that we started from $150, if I'm not mistaken. So we're not gonna stop here. Let's trade more. Let's trade more and change the currency pair. So when I think we make it up to 3,000 and then withdraw our money, right? I will be happy with the outcome, but first we should find a good trade entry, guys. I don't see one so far, so here we're seeing the pullback. Let's open a short position, so let's watch if we need to open additional ones. But the price movement has been formed and the candle is going down. Enters the inner channel, and in theory it should go down even further. So I'll explain the principle of the trade entry. We see this bearish signal from the stochastic we opened here. Okay. Alright. Inner channel, enters the inner channel. So the ascending movement will pull back, and as you can see, we play out this pullback pretty standard trading situation. We already opened position following this principle, so there are literally 5 seconds left before the closing, and for now it's 5 seconds, sorry. In this position have to be in profits. Nice, nice, guys. We make our 3,000 so soon. We got a 2,843 on our balance. It cannot be reduced. So let's open the final 500 position and make our 3,000 and withdraw our earnings, right? So let's change the currency pair so I don't see any trade entries so far. Well, crap. Oh, for example, there we go. The stochastic crossed the level 20 and currently it's in the level 16. The reversal is happening. This candle so doesn't reach the level and the uptrend carries on, and we're not opening here, so here it's also not it's also not gonna make it. Here it hasn't reached as well as here, but the pullback has occurred and we can open a long position, guys, I guess. So by now I'm okay with the price movement. It's correcting, but in theory we opened perfectly right, because look at here, the uptrend takes place. The updating on the loss has already happened. We see the dynamic movement, breakout and the pullback, and now we observe the pullback again, right? So dynamic, breakout and pullback, and now we observe the pullback again. As I said, it plays out from the resistance zone, and theoretically the price should continue going up and the position should end up in profits. So currently we see the reversal on the stochastic. It touched the oversold zone. We see the strong upward uptrend on the whole chart, and there is a second profits. Nice. Of course, we got 3,288, much more than I want to have, and that's fine. Now let's call it a day and finish our trading session and withdraw our money. I'm more than happy to have such results. So this is our trading session, pretty nice. With those indicators, I think you get it. I hope you will you will practice it. So not bad result, and let's move to withdraw, right? So I'm gonna start here for today. Let's also I want to remind you about a Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe there. There's a lot of information about strategies. You can text me, I'll help you with the strategies. We can do that together. I'll explain to you every little detail. Also, if you have any questions, I can help you with them too. So it's not so hard. Let's move to the video. Okay, let's put this here. Continue button, and okay, everything is done. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll attach the screenshot when it's done at the end of the video, of course. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions. Waiting for your ideas and share with your experience with me. So thank you for watching. Have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments. I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.